Today we'll be talking about phylogenetic trees, and before I show you my tree, I'm going to talk about a couple different vocabulary terms that I think are helpful in understanding trees. So first we have anagenesis, and this is evolution within a lineage over time. And that's important distinction that it's one lineage evolving over time, as you can see here, because it's different than cladogenesis, which is where you have one lineage or one species then branch into two different species. And so then we have internal nodes, and that's represented by these dots that you see. And so this is just where the speciation event occurred in either this species evolved into a new species, or this species split into two different species. Here we have my phylogenetic tree. I've based it off of different Chick-fil-A menu items because, well, I love Chick-fil-A. So yeah, here I have 9 different OTUs, and OTU stands for Operational Taxonomic Unit. It is a broad term that can mean species, strains of a virus, or even different alleles within a species. And so in this case, the OTUs represent my different menu items. To determine the most closely related OTUs, you have to find the shortest branches. And so in this case, chicken nuggets and chicken strips would be our most closely related OTUs. Salad is the outgroup because it is the most distantly related from the rest of the items in the tree. The only thing that it shares with the rest of the tree is this single ancestor way back here. So this is actually also what allows this to be classified as a rooted tree. Everything in the tree can be traced back to this one ancestor if you go back far enough. So I think that's also something I forgot to mention on the previous page. Each of these nodes represents the most recent common ancestor between the two branches for each node. So here at the first node, this represents the speciation event where we saw branching into the chicken items and the non-chicken items. The next node represents the divergence of grilled chicken items and fried chicken items. And so in the grilled lineage, we then have branching into the sandwich groups, where you have the grilled chicken sandwich and the grilled chicken club, and then the non-sandwich groups or items, where you have the grilled Cool Wrap and the grilled nuggets. And then similarly in the fried chicken branch or lineage, we have a divergence into a sandwich and non-sandwich group as well.